Hello guys, you welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact. If you are finding it difficult to delete a contact, then this video is for you. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu and search for your contacts. So as you can see, when you see a contact, just tap on it. So as you can see, this is owned by Google. This is Google Contact. So when you open the contact app, just search for the contact you want to delete. And you have a lot of contacts as I have over here. So as you can see, when you have a lot of contacts as I have over here, I have almost 5,700 and 52 contacts. So if you have a lot of contacts like this, what you have to do is you have to search the contact rather than scrolling it. So let's search the contact. So when you search the contact, it's going to appear over here, and make sure you search it correctly. So when you tap on it like this, so this is the contact I want to delete. So as you can see, tap over here. After that, tap on delete. Tap on this. So when you tap on it, it's going to ask you delete contact. This contact will be removed from all your synced device. Contacts synced with Google Contact will be removed to Trust. So tap on delete, and after that, it has been deleted. As you can see, one contact delete. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks. This is how to delete contacts from your Android mobile phone. See you in my next video.